what I found. Big old Husqvarna chainsaw buried up under the leaves. We're gonna mess with it too. I'm gonna get it. It's locked up and all, but I'm gonna play with it. I can tell you that much. Be worth. I think it'd be worth. I don't know. Put a little bit of money in it. A little bit of time, clean that bar up, get a new chain, rebuild the engine. I'll be looking for that on the upcoming video sometime. Let's go on to 3. Damn if I know. I bet we can fix it though. One man's trash is another man's treasure.